Hello everyone, welcome to Kemto Crochets, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to crochet this heart granny square. It's a beginner friendly and easy to make, and it can be used in projects such as tote bags, cardigans, tops and other projects. So let's get into the tutorial. To begin, make a magic ring. And then chain 3 to begin round 1. 1, 2 and 3. This chain 3 counts as our first double crochet, and into the magic ring place 11 more double crochets. For more details on how to do a double crochet, check the link on my description box and go check out how to do the basic crochet stitches. So continue placing double crochets into the magic ring until you have a total of 12 double crochets. I meet you back in at the end of the round. I'm at the end of the round. To finish off, pull the tail to close the magic ring and then slip stitch on top of the chain 3 stitch. To finish off the round. To begin round 2, make a triple crochet into the 3rd stitch. To do a triple crochet, yarn over twice and into the 3rd stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. So place 7 more triple crochet into that same stitch. And remember, I said if you want more details on how to do these basic crochet stitches, the link is on my description box. Go check them out. So I have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 triple crochet, and into the next stitch, place 1 double crochet, and 1 double crochet into the next, and the next stitch, 1 double crochet, and 1 triple crochet into the same stitch with 1 double crochet. Then chain 1, into the next stitch place 1 triple crochet, and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Into the next stitch place 1 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet into the next, and into the next stitch place 8 triple crochet. So place 7 more triple crochet into that same stitch, So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me place one last triple crochet. After that, skip 3 stitches and slip stitch into the space. Then chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Remember to fasten off. And wow, we are done with the heart section, and this is how it looks like. To begin round 3, attach your yarn into the 4th triple crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can attach it any way you prefer. And then chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. This counts as our first double crochet. And into the same stitch, place 1 double crochet. Then chain 2. 1 and 2, and into the same stitch, place 2 more double crochets. 1 and 2. Into the next stitch, place 1 half double crochet. Then into the next, 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet. Then 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Then into the next stitch, 1 triple crochet. And into the next, place 2 triple crochet. Chain 2, 2 triple crochet. Then chain 2 and then place 2 triple crochet into the same stitch. Into the next stitch, place 1 double crochet. Then 1 half double crochet into the chain 1 space. After that, there's this chain. You may not see it. Place 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch, place 1 half double crochet. And then double crochet into the next stitch. And then into the next stitch, place 2 triple crochet. Chain 2, 2 triple crochet again into the same stitch to make a corner. Chain 2, then 2 triple crochets into the same stitch. Then into the next, place a triple crochet. One double crochet into the next stitch. One half double crochet into the next stitch. Into the next, place a single crochet. Then half double crochet into the next stitch. And then into the next stitch, place 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the same stitch. That's 1 and 2. Then chain 2 and place 2 more double crochet into the same stitch to create another corner. Into the next, place 1 half double crochet. Then into the next 2 stitches, 2 double crochet together. To do that, yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. And then yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through all the 3. Into the next, place 1 triple crochet. Then into the next 2 stitches, do 2 double crochet together. To do that, yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through all the 3. Into the next stitch, place 1 half double crochet. So to finish off the round, we slip stitch into the top of the chain 3 stitch. And then chain 3, 1, 2, and 3 to begin round 4. This counts as our first double crochet. And into the chain 2 space, place 2 double crochet. 1, 2, and then chain 2. And into the same chain 2 space, place 2 more double crochets to create a corner. Then after that, remember this stitch, don't forget it. Place 1 double crochet into each stitch around. Until you reach the chain 2 space. In which you place 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochet into the same chain space to create a corner. So continue repeating this pattern all around by placing 1 double crochet into each stitch. And once you reach the corner, you place 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet into the chain 2 space. I meet you back in. So I'm at the end of round 4 and I'm placing my last half double crochet into our last stitch. To finish off, we slip stitch on top of the chain 3 stitch. And this is how it looks like. To begin round 5, chain 3. This chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Into the next stitch, place 1 double crochet. And into the chain 2 space, place 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. This creates a corner. And into the next stitches, place 1 double crochet into each. So repeat that pattern until you reach the chain 2 space where you place 2 double crochet, chain 2 double crochet. Some at the corner, the chain 2 space where I place 2 double crochet, chain 2, then 2 double crochet into the same chain space to create a corner. So continue repeating this pattern all around. I meet you at this point. I'm at the end of round 5. I place my last double crochet into our last stitch. And to finish off, I slip stitch on top of the chain 3 stitch. And then chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Remember to fasten off. So it's time to weave in our ends. Let's weave in our ends. I meet you back in once you're done. So once you're done weaving in your ends, this is how it looks like. It's so neat. I love the purple color. It turned out so good and the square is so perfect. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment and share. If you're new, remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a tutorial. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can tag me in your videos once you make this kind of granny squares. You can leave a comment to tell me which project I should work on next. Bye bye.